where are we now, Mark? You can.
Yeah, this is Lake Ludwig, which is in...
We're in the Ozarks.
Yeah, near Ozark National Forest. And it's really nice and peaceful and quiet up here.
And this is probably as far west as we're going?
Yeah.
No fishing today, though.
No, no fishing.
You didn't bring any fishing gear with you.
Well, I don't have a license, and we're...
Do you need a license down here?
Probably.
Okay.
It's not a... I think residents wouldn't need a license, but foreigners probably yes.
Okay.
There's a fly on your head. There you go. It's gone now. He was buzzing around my head a few minutes ago, but I think he'll get bored with you and go bug somebody else.
Well, there isn't nobody else here. That's what's nice. Look at this. Nobody here. Just you and I.
You've seen fish jumping down here. I don't see anything jumping right now. But,
No fish jumping right now?
Yeah. Saw some over the other side. There's a couple of guys, 2 or 3 boats down there with people fishing this lake. So I suspect there's probably something in here. Don't know what, but oh well.
Well, no fishing today.
No, let's get back on the road. We got a bunch of miles we want to make up.
Miles to go before we sleep?
Yeah, pretty well. But no promises to keep today.
No promises to keep today?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, we're on vacation, so hey.
And no place to have to be?
Yep.
Okay.